Hello friends, today's I'm discuss Poco F4 5G worldwide launch today, price, specifications, and everything else you need to know. Poco is ready to show off the Poco F4 to the world today. The Poco F4, which is focused on gaming, will be available in a lot of places, such as the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor will power the phone, and it will have up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The Poco F4 will compete with the IQOO Neo 6, which has the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor as the Poco F4. The Poco F4 will replace the Poco F3 GT, which costs 28,999 rupees for the base model and 31,999 rupees for the most expensive one. India Today Tech has learned exclusively that the Poco F4 will cost the same. It is likely to cost less than 30,000 rupees. The latest gaming-focused phone from IQOO, the Neo 6, also costs 29,000 rupees in India. Poco F4 could also have the not-yet-released OnePlus Nord 2T, which is also thought to cost about the same. At 5:30 p.m., the smartphone will be released at a virtual event. Before the big launch, Poco had hinted at some of the Poco F4's most important features. The phone's design has also not been kept a secret. OCO has said that the phone's screen will be an AMOLED one with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz and a high sampling rate of 360 Hz. The phone will have stereo speakers that work with Dolby Atmos, which is something that many popular phones in the same price range don't have. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 875G processor, up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage will give the Poco F4 5G its power. The phone will have a 4,500 mAh battery that will work with a 67W charger. The company says that the battery can be charged to 50% in just 11 minutes with this charger. On the back of the Poco F4, there will be 3 cameras, a 64-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, a macro sensor, and a wide-angle lens. On the back of the Poco F4, there will be 3 cameras, a 64-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, a macro sensor, and a wide-angle lens. For more details, click on the below link. Thank you for watching.